In class 11 business studies, we are on topic chapter number 9, internal trade. I am sure you all are aware by this chapter because already we completed the whole part of this chapter. BST chapter 9, internal trade. And yesterday we completed cooperative societies. And supermarket, internal trade, we completed. So today we are going to do the last part of this chapter. See, large scale retailers, supermarket, already we have done that they provide the goods at low prices on cash basis, centrally located there, one roof, low cost, okay, no bad debts because they provide the goods on cash basis, yes. Now, limitations are also there. They don't give credit facilities. They don't provide personal attention because that is self-service centers. And that's why mishandling of goods because customers can keep the products anywhere without giving proper attention. High overhead expenses, generally their cost or maintenance cost is very high. Huge capital requirement because they keep wide variety of goods. That's why they have to invest more amount as compared to other. Now today we are going to do the vending machines. Yes, children. What do you understand by vending machine? This is a new concept and getting popularity all over the part of the world. Nowadays, it is becoming more attractive, more famous, more popular due to this COVID pandemic also. Nowadays, every organization is doing retail trade without manpower. And this lockdown also make it popular. You know about it. These are coin operated machines found in suitable in selling products, found very suitable in selling products like hot and cold beverages, cold drinks and hot coffee, etc. Platform tickets, soft drinks, newspaper. In China, they are selling gold coins through vending machines. If you go in metro cities, you can see that train tickets, metro tickets, everything is through vending machines. So my dear children, vending machines are generally coin operated or through some pin or through some cards like metros, etc. And these are for generally at a tourist place, at hill stations, tourist place, or in abroad. You can see these vending machines are there. In European countries, at petrol pumps or the gas vehicles, they have this vending machine only. Through vending machine, these are the computer operated through or coin operated or card or pin, etc. There through that they sell their products. So automatic teller machine is also a vending machine in banking business that is common to you. On railway station, you can see platform tickets are available. Even weighing machines are there. You just put the coin one ticket will come out that will show your weight and some detail at the back. So these are the, even at hill stations, you can see the coffee vending machine, cold drink machine, just put the amount in the appropriate place and you will get the product. ATM, automated teller machine, is also a vending machine in banking business. Now features of vending machine one by one. Suitability. Vending machines are suitable for selling pre-packed items. Pre-packed items of low-priced products with uniform size and weight. Uniform size and weight means already these products are easily properly packed in uniform size because you put the same amount which is written there, like 50 rupees pack, you will put the 50 rupees note or coins you can buy and put them. Then these products are pre-packed, pre-decided weight, uniform quality, uniform shape, size, design, color, and even quantity also. Then initial cost of the machine and maintenance charges are very high. You can see these machines you can see in metro cities, in tourist places or tourist places, yes, railway stations, bus stands, in malls also you can see. Just here, these are the area where you can put the money, everything, items, every price of every product written on there and you just buy those products. So initial setup is high because you have to set up all the machines and all other. So that's why the initial maintenance cost is high. Okay, now consumers cannot see the product before buying. We can see, but we cannot check. Okay, see here in the vending machine, this vending machine, you can see the product and then buy, but you cannot check the quality, you cannot check the product. In Nescafe coffee vending machine, we cannot see what the product will come and how much the quantity will come. No return of good is possible. In some cities, milk parlors are also working on the basis of vending machine. Now see, no return of goods is possible. To whom you will return the goods? See, everything is written there, you will buy it, that here through this part, you will put the money and from here you will get the product. So how you will return the product? There is no return policy if you have given the money and you got the product. Then, okay, I am sure you all must be able to know about that. Now, GST is the part of this chapter also for this year. So in 2017, GST is introduced by the government. Aim is one nation, one tax. It is destination-based tax, one nation, one tax. It is levied on central and state government, reduce tax burden because it is eliminating tax on tax. That's why one nation, one tax. It consists of CGST and SGST for intrastate and IGST for interstate. Okay, now these are the features, is applicable to the whole country including Jammu and Kashmir. See, GST eliminates many taxes and the one nation, one tax concept is there. It is destination based consumption tax. If you are consuming, you have to pay. Import of goods are treated as interstate and IGST is applicable on import also. CGST, IGST, SGST are levied at the rate which is decided by the government. Four tax slabs are there: 5%, 12%, 18% and 28%. Exports and supplies to special economic zones are zero rated. Okay, now taxpayers can pay the taxes through net banking, NEFT, RTGS, etc. Now, role of Commerce and Industry Association in promotion of internal trade. See, what are the associations are doing for promotion of internal trade? In India, ICC is there, Indian Chamber of Commerce is there. So, Chamber of Commerce and Industry was formed as an association of business and industrial houses to promote and protect their common interests and goals. They play an important role in strengthening internal trade and overall economic activities. Example, see, nowadays you can see SOCHM, FICCI and C, all the three are working. See, CII, please note down the full form. You should know in India, various institutions and organizations are there which are set up by the government to protect the internal trade and promote the internal trade. They make the rules. So CII, Confederation of Indian Industry, FICCI. This is known as FICCI, Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, SOCHAM, Associated Chamber of Commerce and Industry. These are the institutions which are working for promotion of internal trade in India. Now one by one, what role they are playing. Role of Commerce and Industries Association. Helps in many activities relating interstate movement of goods. Interstate movement of goods is a complicated process and these organizations make the rule for these activities and they are helpful for moving the goods from one state to another. Then to ensure that octroi and other local devices are charged reasonably. See, various taxes are there and octroi and other local taxes, toll tax and these are to be charged reasonably. These three organizations will look after that. The next helps in harmonization of GST and VAT. See, nowadays, though GST is there, one nation, one tax, and GST is applicable in the whole country, in our country. So that is, these associations are working for their harmonization and how to applicable, what are the process, and these are help in marketing of agro products and related issues. Agro products means agricultural products and related issues. Maybe they are perishable, maybe they are taxed high. Nowadays you can see that MSP, support price, etc. So these associations are helpful even in their warehousing, even in counseling, guidance, etc. Moving of goods from one state to another. Now, Fifth point, you can note down. Fifth point, you want to note down, okay? I am sure. Helps in marketing agro products and related issues. Marketing is a wider term. It includes selling, transporting, warehouses, storage means, and from the place of production to the place of consumption. All issues, all information, they gather the information and analyze this information. The next, interacting with the government. Who can talk to the government? Not a common man. These associations represent the issues of the common man in front of the government to take actions against those who violate rules relating to weights and measures and preventions of duplication of brands. See, many products are there, those who involve in adulteration, giving less weight, false advertisement, doing duplicate product of poor quality, less quantity, charge high price. So these associations work for the betterment of the common people to avoid exploitation, fraud and cheating and make the interact with the government and make the rules for them. Then it promotes sound infrastructure. See, infrastructure means all the activities related to the trade here. Then interact with the government on issue of labor law. Labor law means workers can also create some problems, so they work on it. So in this chapter, today I am going to tell you about that all part. In this chapter, we completed various things. Yesterday we completed that consumer society. Then we started that super bazaar, supermarket, which sells wide variety of goods based on self-service stores. Then supermarkets show their products so that and neatly packed with complete labeling so that a customer can see the product and buy the product easily. Wide variety, self-service, centrally located, etc. Then some drawbacks are there, like the customers can mishandle the goods, they don't keep the goods properly. See, a child can misuse the product there. Many types you can see. Huge capital requirement. Then today we discuss vending machine. ATM is the best example of vending machine. These are the coin operated machines, hot beverages, cold beverages, platform tickets, soft drinks, newspaper, etc. Then it is suitable for pre-packed items. What do you understand by pre-packed, pre-decided, pre-weighed, uniform size and weight? Yes, cold drink, chips, packed food you can get, chocolates, where they have same packing, same designing, same size, same weight, means generally the customer will not have any hesitation and any problem to buy those products. But initial cost of setup is high to buy the machine and set up the machine. And in India, the fraud and cheatings are there always. You cannot see the product before buying. No return of goods is possible. Once you buy, you have to pay. Pay, then buy. Okay. Now, in vending machine, various benefits are there. We can see Various benefits are there, like no need of manpower, no need of any worker or salesman. Just by display, the consumer will buy the product easily. No requirement of salesman and other persons. And it's very easy to operate from the point of view of customers. And from the point of view of seller, it is also easy. The goods which is sold out, the place will be vacant. They can put the goods, no need to observe, no need to stay there, and all the prices are same. So there is no bargaining. And from the point of view of seller, the goods sale on cash basis only, no credit facility. If the credit facility is not there, means no bad debts facility, problem, no bad debts. So everything is beneficial from the point of view of consumer as well as seller, but some problems are still there in India. Do you know the world is using that ATM and vending machines from last many years, but in India, some people took away the ATM machine from one place to another and take the money from that. Do you heard about that? And many ways they search to misuse this vending machine. If that is coin operated, they make their own coins. If that is like this one, if machine is this one, then the glass can be break. It depends on the people, it depends on the situation, but generally that is not properly handled, and that's why it is not famous in India. Okay, so today we completed the internal trade, and tomorrow we will discuss about the project work. And if you have any doubt in chapter 9, you can ask on Saturday also.